Yes, students and viewers, you're once again welcome to the studio of Wismats. I trust God we're doing absolutely well, and we've been practicing all of the problems that we've done so far. Today we want to quickly look at a topic that says arithmetic pattern. Now, arithmetic pattern simply refers to sequence of numbers that either increases or decreases at the same amount. Now that same amount that is, it either increases or decreases is what is being referred to in this topic as common difference. At other times and at very few instances, the difference seem not to be common across the digits in the sequence. So in our today's class, we will look at the first two examples that reflects on cases where the difference are common, and we'll also look at a case where the difference is not common. So let's treat the first example. Let's look at this. We are being told that this is 4, this is 7, this is 10, this is what? 13, and we're being asked for the next number. Now, we can clearly see that the difference between 4 and 7 is 3, 7 and 10 is 3, 13 and the next. So it seems there is a common difference across. So we can easily say that our common difference here, our common difference is plus 3. Meaning in this sequence, the next number that should be written is, that we should get is 13 plus 3. And that will obviously give us 16 as our next number. So we could also look at our example 2. 2 says 20. Number 2 says that we're having 20, 14 and 11. Now, let's also look at the common difference. Common difference here, common difference seems to be, we're having 20, the next we're having 17, we're having 14. Now, looking at it clearly, we can see that the common difference is minus 3, because 17 minus 20 gives us a minus 3. This minus this. So the difference is, the common difference here is minus 3. So what's going to be the next number now? What are we expecting as our next number now? It means it is decreasing by 3. It means the next number that we should expect is next number, considering the last one that we have, should be, is what? 11 minus 3. So our next number in this sequence is obviously 8. Let's look at this. Then the third example says 2, 5, 10, and 17. What is the pattern here? This is more of a pattern. There is no common difference. Between here and here, we have a plus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Between 10 and 5, we have 10 minus 5. The next is, we have a difference of 5. Between this and this, we have what? We have plus 7, meaning the difference changes by 2, increases by 2 at each of the levels. So the next one should be, the next should be plus 9. If this is plus 3 plus 5 plus, so the next number here should be, our last is 17 plus 9, and that should give us 26. So we can clearly see that. So sequence teaches us just to think about the next number, bear in mind that it could be common difference, or it could just be a pattern that is being involved. So we could also try this pattern, try 3, 8, 15, 24, and what's the next number? Try that. Drop your comments, like and subscribe to our page too.